Are you interested in growing dragon tongue beans but don't have a large garden space? No worries. In this step-by-step guide, we will help you cultivate these beautiful and delicious beans right in your own home. Dragon tongue beans, also known as barlotto or dragon langerie beans, are not only beautiful to look at with their purple streaks and green pods, but also delicious to eat. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of growing these unique beans in containers. To start, select a container that is at least 12 inches deep with good drainage holes. This will ensure your dragon tongue beans have enough room to grow and thrive. Fill the container with a well-draining potting mix enriched with organic compost. Compost is a valuable source of nutrients for plants, including dragon tongue beans. When added to the soil, compost enriches it with essential elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for healthy plant growth. In the center of the container, use your hand to make a hole to accommodate the dragon tongue bean seeds. Ensure the hole is 1 to 2 inches deep, not deeper. This depth is suitable for planting the seeds and allowing them to germinate and grow effectively in the container environment. Now here's a pro tip for maximizing your dragon tongue bean harvest. Instead of spacing out your seeds, try planting them in clusters. Group 4 to 5 seeds together and plant them all in one hole. By doing this, you'll encourage the roots to grow together, creating a stronger network of support for each other. This method reduces the stress of transplanting, resulting in plants that are more resistant to disease and drought. Plus, sowing in clusters increases the number of beans you'll produce. As the seeds germinate and grow, they'll support each other, resulting in strong and healthy seedlings. This not only looks good in the container but also maximizes the use of space. After covering the dragon tongue bean seeds with soil, add a generous layer of mulch. Mulch serves several purposes. It helps retain moisture in the soil, prevents weed growth, and regulates soil temperature in the container. By keeping the soil moist and cool, mulch creates an ideal environment for the dragon tongue beans to thrive. Plus, as the mulch breaks down over time, it adds valuable organic matter to the soil, enriching it for future plantings. After mulching, water the soil thoroughly to ensure the seeds have enough moisture to germinate and grow. Then, find a sunny spot for your container. Dragon tongue beans love sunlight, so choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. And there you have it. Growing dragon tongue beans in containers is a rewarding and enjoyable experience that allows you to connect with nature and savor the joys of homegrown produce. In the next video, I'll share updates and useful tips from caring for our beloved dragon tongue bean plants. So stay tuned and happy gardening!